Today we are going to do some more practice with the subtraction of fractions with unlike denominators. So my minuend is 2/3 and my subtrahend is 1/4. So let me put out these numbers. 2/3. Here's my 2/3. And here is my 1/4. I'm going to subtract this amount from this fraction. So looking at the numbers, I do see that the denominators are different, and denominators point to the families, and these are the number of members in the family. So first thing I need to do is I must find a lowest common denominator for these two numbers, because as it is right now, I cannot subtract this fraction from this fraction. So let me think. 3 and 4 meet at, that's right, 12. So let me see how many 1/12ths cover 1/3 evenly. So 4/12ths covered my 1/3 evenly. That's 4/12. I'm gonna cover this one the same way. Okay, there I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 12ths. This is equal to 8 12ths. And subtract. So 1/4. How many 1/12ths will take to cover 1/4? 1, 2, that's right, it's 3 12ths. So 1/4 is the same as 3 12ths. So now I can subtract 3 12ths, this fraction from this fraction. 3 12ths. It's been removed. And what do I have left? That's what I have left. Here is the difference between the two fractions. And my difference is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 12ths. 5 12ths. So 8 12ths take away 3 12ths is equal to 5 12ths. And here I have the fraction to show. Seeing is believing. 5 12ths. I am going to do another fraction problem, the subtraction of fractions. But this time I'm going to use mixed numbers. In other words, whole numbers and fractions. So my minuend is, for the second problem, 5 and 2/3. And take away, my subtrahend is 3 and 4/5. What's my difference? Okay, so let me put out my fractions now. 5 whole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2/3. 2/3. Here I have 2/3. And here I have 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3. Of course, I'm going to take this away from here. And 4/5. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, and 4/5. Now I have both my minuend and subtrahend laid out. But looking at the fractions, I do see that they are from different families again, so I must find a denominator. In fact, the lowest common denominator for these numbers, so I can subtract them. Let me think. 3 and 5 meet at, I think they meet at 15. Let's test this out. Here is my 1/15 piece. Let me see, it will evenly cover my 1/3. Now, how many pieces it will take to evenly cover my 1/3? It's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, it took 5/15 to cover my 1/3. I'm going to do the same to the other piece I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let me see how many 1/15s will cover my 1/5. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. And let me cover all the other pieces as well. 1, 2, and 3. One, 2, 3. One, 2, and 3. There we go. All right. And now I have, yeah. So let me see how many pieces I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 5 and 10/15. And these are equal. And how about what I have here is equal to what? That is 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 15th. 15ths. Okay, now I am going to take away 3 and 12/15 from 5 and 10/15. I can easily take away the whole numbers. However, if I take 3 out of 5, then I wouldn't be able to exchange 1. So I'm going to wait on that, and I'm going to have to exchange one of these. Looking at the fraction, since I have to take this fraction from this one, I'm going to exchange this for 15/15ths. Representing 1 whole. 15/15ths. Let's count some. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's see if it is equal. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, and I can actually prove it. There we go. 15/15ths is equal to 1 whole, which I exchanged. So now I can take away 12/15ths. Starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took all these away. And 11 and 12. There we go. So I took all that away. And now I can take 3 wholes from 4 wholes. So 3 and 3. What do I have left? So I have this is what I have left. 1 whole and how many 15ths? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 1 and 13/15. So when I took, that's right, this is the subtraction. So 1 whole and 13/15ths is the difference.